How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Facebook. Make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then head over to your profile at the very top. Now click on this three-dot icon. Scroll down and you'll see the option of Turn on Professional Mode. Click on it. Now once again click on Turn On. Now tap on Next at the bottom of the screen. Now you need to select your audience. Once selected, tap on Next. Tap on Confirm. Now once again click on Next at the bottom of the screen. And there you go, your professional mode has been turned on successfully. Well, if you refresh the Facebook page for once, you will be able to see the professional dashboard, which means that your professional mode has been turned on Facebook. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.